Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to control active noise cancelling level for a headphone Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. You have to start by opening Galaxy application. Now open the case and insert the headphones into your ears. Now click on Active Noise Cancelling. And right here you can see a slider. If you move to the left, you lower this level. If you move your finger to the right, you increase this level. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!